everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I hope my camera will allow me to film this, but if not, or if I can get some of it filmed today, that would be great, and I would just come back tomorrow. But we are going to be planning for the week of the 29th through January 29th through February 4th, and I just want to let you know that I am filming this on January 24th. So I am filming it a few days early, but that's okay. Some of the supplies here I have my, obviously my Penny Pages planner, and then I have my Tipsy Dog scripts for my sidebar here. I have my Penny Pages date dots that I'm trying to use up. And I have this kit that you can no longer get because it was a TPC Nation subscription kit, but this is Bay 4. Sorry you can no longer get it, but I really just wanted to use a really colorful blue kit. Blue is my favorite color, but anyway, so I just really wanted to use it. So we are going to go ahead and lay down all of my categories, and I will let you know what they are if you are new. So my first category is household. This is any errands, anything that needs to be done around the house, anything important like that. I am a stay-at-home mom, so my job is taking care of the household and my daughter, and we run all of the errands. The next one is Ophelia, which is my daughter. I like to put down our activities for the day, or if we have play dates. And since it's going to be warming up here shortly, we will probably be having more play dates in the coming months and actually going to do more. I do want to actually go to the library this week, so we will probably be doing that. The third section is myself and my husband. I do put his stuff on mine between functions or if he's out of town and such. So I will use up what I have, and they all say Amy right now, but I think I've been trying to kind of, I know it's only a month in, but thinking of my categories for next year in this planner, and I think I'm going to change them up a tad bit, because I don't think I'm going to keep Facebook and Instagram and YouTube in here, because that is the fourth category, and the fifth category is YouTube, because I have a whole social media planner. And I don't think I really need it in double spots. So that is just me, and that's how things are going to roll. Now, the fun part. Okay, so I am going to do it this way. We start on the 29th. Yes. So 29, 30, and then do, yeah, 1, 2. So I am really want to use up my date dots. And with that being said, the Penny Pages gives us 2 extra date dots at the end of each month. And what I am starting to do is just write down the dates, like the extra dates, and then fill in the gaps, because I don't want these little bullet points to go to waste. I'd rather use them, and yeah, I'd just rather use them. Use up your stash. That is kind of my theme for 2024, is using up my stash. So that is what I am doing. So I'm done with all of that. Now we just need to put down the little strippy strips, and I am going to fast forward this part and probably put up my put up my dates, or Monday through Friday, Sunday, if I can talk, as well, and then we'll do the day by day. So I'll be right back. that is done, I'm just gonna come up here and put that right there. We are gonna start working on this. So Monday, don't really have anything going on. Tuesday, don't have anything going on. Okay, so Thursday, I do want to make a Sam's Club run. Sam's Club run. Because it is the 1st. Saturday, laundry. And then also need to change our bed sheets. Change sheets. Perfect. And that is pretty much everything for there. Actually, no, I lied, because we have trash on Monday. Monday is trash day. Okay, Ophelia. Don't really have anything going on this week for her. So we are gonna go to the library on Tuesday, I think. Library on Tuesday, because we do have some books we need to take back. So we will do that. And Thursday we'll do the library. Our library has story time on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I definitely like trying to go on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we can do that. And we do need to make a play date. And I don't know if that's going to be this week or next week. But when I hear back from my friend, we will know. Okay. So I'm going to actually just go ahead and lay some of these guys out. So we really haven't been too busy during the week. I've been really like staying on top of stuff. I can actually put, you know what, I will. I can put boxes over top of these. So I've been kind of like really trying to stay on top of our errands and everything. So I definitely really like the not so busy weeks. I have therapy on Monday. Yeah, so I really enjoy not having busy weeks if I don't have to. And then I finished no stickers on this page. And then on Sunday I have a wax appointment at 11 a.m. So that is all that I have going on. Okay, so for Facebook and IG, I need to close a game on one of my, so I'm an admin on one of the groups, and then I help another group out with like their there are like buddy reads, so it's a book group, and then the other one is a diamond painting group. So I do need to close a book, or I need to close a game that we have going, and then I need to start new game on the 1st. Oh, actually, there's something else I need to do on Wednesday. So we'll start a new game and Feb birthdays. Birthday post. And then I do here need to post whip Wednesday. So WIP means work in progress, and that is diamond painting related again. And then I do need to do member of the week for Sunday. And that is all for the diamond painting group. I don't have anything going on in the book group right now, so there's that. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and put down some videos. Monday we are gonna have we are gonna have 2 videos go live actually. So we're just gonna grab 2 little dots here. I have Mystery Monday. And I have my social, nope, actually it is Hobo Weeks monthly going live there. Tuesday I have 1 video going live, and that is just my that'll be a social media plan with me. I actually like using them this way. So we have a social media plan with me. We have on Wednesday, we will have January DP review, monthly review, so Jan DP month review, and that's just where I am going over everything that I worked on in the month of January. On Thursday, I do have a new pen day. And then Friday, I will have another video going. I think actually I have 2 videos going live Friday. So right now I am just going to keep using this as a, where I put extra video down and stuff. I do put ideas down if I need to. So what do I have? Nothing on Friday. Okay, Saturday. Couple weeks. Okay, yeah. So we have 3 videos. So you have a video pretty much every day this next week. We have a Black Mountain Plans haul. I do PR for her. Haul, and then you know what, we're just gonna go ahead and use these 2 big boxes. Why not? We're gonna do my Hobo actually monthly here and week, and then where you have on Sunday is my catch-all. I think I'm going to do it that way. I'm not completely sure. I have to think about it. But so far, that is how this week is going to go. So this is my catch-all planner. I do have some functionals left, but I did use all of those, so I'm going to just set that right there. And then this is how the week will turn out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit subscribe and the little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the bell. Duh. And then leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you're doing and what you're doing for the first week of February. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.